Good morning, class. Today we are going to discuss about your next topic. In earlier lectures, we have discussed about igneous rocks. There are two types of igneous rocks, that is intrusive igneous rocks, and second one is extrusive igneous rocks. And we have also discussed about the examples of intrusive and extrusive igneous rocks. Now we are going to discuss about your next topic, that is sedimentary rocks. With the word sediment, you came to know that there is this word combined with sedimentary, that is sediment. What is sediment? Sediment is the matter that settles down the bottom of the water. So we can also say that sedimentary rocks are the rocks which are made up of the sediment that settle down under the water. For this, you have to understand, whenever there is water and wind, they take the clay or sand particles and they go into the water bodies where these sand or clay particles settle down at the bottom of the water bodies, which further forms sedimentary rocks. Over some time, the top layers put pressure on the bottom layer and they get hardened, form sedimentary rocks. So, sedimentary rocks are formed from the sediments which settle down at the bottom of the earth. Upper layer puts pressure on the bottom layers and which gets hardened further, forms sedimentary rocks. Sedimentary rocks are also formed from the sea creature shell. For example, the shell which are made up of calcium carbonate of some aquatic organisms. Whenever they die, the shell sinks to the bottom and they get compressed, where after some time those compressed sediments form sedimentary rocks. Now there are different type of sedimentary rocks which are grouped on the basis of the size of the fragments they contain. For example, conglomerate, shale, limestone and sandstone. First one is conglomerate. Conglomerate is made up of large rock fragments, for example pebbles or gravel particles or boulders, which are cemented together by the sand and minerals. It is further used in the construction industry, for example, in the making of the buildings or the roads. Next one is shale. Shale is made up of hardened particles of clay and slate. The particles of the clay is very fine and these get hardened to form shale. It is further used in making cement and bricks. Next one is limestone. Limestone is made up from the shell of the Dead Sea creatures. Earlier I have told you about that there are some rocks which are formed from the shell of sea creatures. Whenever the creatures die, the shell sinks to the bottom and after some time those shells get compressed and hardened to form sedimentary rock, and the type that is formed is limestone. Now we're talking about the limestone. Limestone contains a mineral that is calcite. Calcite is hard, whether chalk is a soft limestone. Limestone is easy to cut and some carvings can also be done into the limestone. So it is used in the construction industry, in making of roads, in making of buildings and also in the manufacturing of cement. Next one is sandstone. With the name sandstone, we can understand that it is made up of sand grains and the mineral which is found in sandstone is mainly quartz. It is a soft stone which is very resistant to the saline air. So that's why it is used in making the buildings around the seashores. They are also heat resistant. So they are used in the making of fireplaces. You must have seen Red Fort, right? Red Fort, Qutub Minar, all these are made up from the sandstone. These are made up from the sedimentary rocks, that is sandstone. We have covered about the sedimentary rocks. Sedimentary rocks are made from the matter that is sediment, which sinks down to the bottom of the sea, and after some times, gradually due to the pressure, these get hardens and form sedimentary rocks. There are four types of sedimentary rocks which are grouped on the basis of their sizes, which are conglomerate, shale, limestone, and sandstone. And we have discussed all about these. We will discuss about the next topic in next lecture. Okay, class, this will be all for today. Thank you for listening.